Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your daily midday market minute. We got the equities roaring higher. The S&P testing into rare major four-star resistance. We highlighted on the Morning Express 44.25, 44.35. You have a number of levels that converge in here, including the 50-day moving average, a trend line, retracements, volume. It's all there. This is the big level to test, and we're testing it right in front of non-farm payroll tomorrow. So Congress got their act together a little bit. They can now kick a can, something they haven't been able to do for a couple weeks, couple months now. They're kicking the can down in December, and we'll have to revisit this again. But for now, it gives a risk on. The Nasdaq is moving sharply higher with rates. Rates haven't really moved. They moved off yesterday's high pretty significantly. The bonds, we highlighted that in the Morning Express, and that's given a little bit of a tailwind to tech, rebounding from the really sharper sell-off was in tech. So you got the Nasdaq moving up. Got rare major four-star resistance still overhead. Still some room until rare major four-star resistance to the Nasdaq. Check it out. I highlighted that on the Morning Express. So look at all those levels. But this again comes to the non-farm payroll, and non-farm payroll tomorrow, expectations around 500,000 jobs. We get a Goldilocks number. I could see these markets breaking out above those resistances and then really ultimately neutralizing this wave of selling, consolidation, healthy selling that we've seen for the last couple weeks, and then turning on that bull market again. So keep an eye on that number tomorrow and how the markets react, but don't chase it into this resistance until and ahead of tomorrow, because there could be a lot of risk. If this number comes in hot tomorrow, big jobs, we can start seeing rates move up, tech can start to fail. In that case, we would like the Russell 2000, which still needs to break out above. We had the high early last week, 2380s, 2280s, need to get out above 2300. So a lot there to unpack. Give us a call. Our trade desk is here. Now, crude oil, heck of a rebound on crude oil overnight. Moved off of 74.5. We talked about the level in the Morning Express, 75.5 area. 75.80 was a big area of an apex of the consolidation pattern. Really didn't spend much time below there. Moving up sharply, back above $78. And this is a nice reversal, and a lot of the tailwind. The rebound came overnight. The new tailwind came as the White House says they're not looking at releasing reserves. So you get this market moving higher. We've been talking about it even on the weakness yesterday, and then highlighted again in the Morning Express today that we do think this market's going to go back above $80 in the very near future. So take a look at where we are now. We're almost there, about 2% away. Can we close stronger on Friday? And then now looking at the metals. Metals are quiet. Gold just has been struggling to get out above 1765, 1770 area. We're back and just hugging this 1753. It's constructive because we've seen the buyers step in against support for gold and silver. You got platinum moving higher today, almost to 1,000, but gold and silver just can't get themselves out of this consolidation. It's really waiting on non-farm payroll. And guess what? I've said it every single day this week. China's golden week. You really don't get that extra buying that's come in. But I'll tell you what, tomorrow, if this number misses, even if it's a Goldilocks number for jobs, I think we'll see gold higher. I think you'll see China step in, and that could be a new start here for some gold, so higher prices into 1,800. Give us a call. Our trade desk is here to help with anything on the board. 312-278-0500. Remember, though, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors.